Hi guys, so in this video I'll show you how to create this butterfly effect with sparkling lights using InShot video editor. So make sure you stick around till the end of the video. Open InShot, create a new video project and add your main video. Now let's go to canvas and set the aspect ratio to fit the canvas. So this is the main clip we are going to use for the butterfly effect. Now let's go to PIP and overlay this butterfly effect. So I'll put the link in the description below. Make it full screen. As you can see, this is the butterfly effect. Now reduce the volume. The next step is to blend the overlay with the main video. Go to blend, select lighting. As you can see, we have blended the overlay with the main video. Now see how it looks. So all we need to do is to duplicate the overlay multiple times so that it covers the entire video. Now for the ending part, reduce the length and clip it to the end. Now let's add some video effects. Go to effects. Now let's navigate to celebrate. Now as you can see, we have different options here. We have stars and we have snows. So you can choose from the different ones that you have there. So I'm selecting the star and I'm going to reduce the value. Now clip the effect to the end. Now let's add one more effect. Go to effect again. Move to celebrate. Now you can add the flash effect, then adjust the value. Now clip the effects to the end of the video. To make this edit more professional, let's add some music to it. Go to audio and add music from InShot library, or you can add music from your device if you have anyone. So from InShot music library, or you go to the mood section, all I need playlists, and select this Chaos Like Me audio. Now here is the final result.
Jamming on the beat.
Fools like them, they suss me out and then they ghost.
Thank you so much for watching guys. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Much love I got for you, and I will see you in the next video.